Good morning.
Good morning, guys. It's windy outside, but it's really
Come this hey, this way.
What's that ball like?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You have to be careful to make sure there's no mosquitoes around standing water.
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Back in the day, we used to say, hey, get over here. Don't step on a crack, you might break your mama's back. We used to say when we was growing up, don't step on a crack, you might break your mama's back. Yolanda, here, it's not playtime. Come on, go. Yeah, see, you see these cracks? Yeah, we used to say, don't step on a... Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah, you should be. Look in the mirror.
I have one day.